Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share my own recipe, spicy fish kofta. First, I take 4 basa fillet, wash them thoroughly and pat them dry with a napkin. Once the fish fillet are dry, cut them into small pieces. Now I put the fish into a blender and blend it into a smooth paste. Next, I chop some onion, cilantro and green chilies and add them to the fish paste. Then I add spices like ginger powder, garlic powder, red chili powder, salt and black pepper. I also add baking powder and all-purpose flour as this kofta will be deep fried. After mixing everything well, I let it rest for an hour. While the fish mixture rests, I start making the gravy. In a cooking pot, I add some oil, chopped onions and lots of tomatoes. I cook this mixture for a few minutes. Next, I'm adding the spices: garlic powder, ginger powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, red chili powder and a little turmeric. After that, I will add some milk and handful of cashew nuts and continue cooking until the tomatoes are completely soft. After that, I remove it from the heat and let it cool. Now I heat some oil in another pot. When the oil reaches around 150 to 200 degrees Celsius, I shape small balls with the fish mixture and deep fry them. Look at these kofta balls, they are puffing up very nicely. Once they turn golden brown, I remove them and place them on a napkin to absorb the excess oil. Next, I blend the tomato and onion mixture into a smooth paste and pour it back into the pot. I add more milk to make the gravy lighter and cook for 3 to 5 minutes. When it starts to boil, I add the fried fish balls and cook for 15 to 20 minutes on high heat. The gravy becomes thicker and richer. Before finishing, I add crushed kasuri methi, a chunk of butter and some split green chilies for extra flavor and heat. And that's it. My spicy fish kofta is ready. It's soft, spicy and the gravy is thick, creamy and full of flavor. You can taste the chili, garlic and fresh herbs in every bite. It just melts in your mouth. This dish goes perfectly with plain boiled rice or warm naan bread. Try it at home. This is my own recipe and if you love spices and heat, I promise you, you will love it. Even if you don't usually like the spicy food, this dish might just change your mind. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more recipes.